and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am super excited because I'm doing a huge giveaway, and I'm super excited for you guys to see what all is included. But I'm gonna make it super nice and simple. So there's gonna be, like I said, 4 different ones. One is gonna be strictly for people on YouTube. The second one is gonna be strictly for people on Instagram. The third giveaway is gonna be strictly for anyone that places an order on my website between today and Monday. And then the fourth giveaway is going to be for anyone that places also an order on my website between between today and Monday, but they have to purchase whoever purchased like a beginner nail kit, you're going to be entered into that giveaway. So as far as YouTube, the only thing you have to do in order to join this giveaway is just make sure that, of course, you hit that subscribe button and you also hit the little bell so you are notified every time that I post. Make sure that you share this video, and y'all, please, y'all, I really be out here giving y'all some gems. I really be out here helping y'all. So the least y'all can do is just share my videos, tell your friends about them, hit the like button, subscribe like I said. Nothing, too much. So yes, make sure that you do that. And then also lastly is just make sure that you comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing about fall is. You guys know that I am a fall baby. My birthday is coming up in November. And so since yesterday was the first day of fall, I had to throw on my fall colors because, that's just me. But yes, so I'm super excited to show you guys. So this is going to be the first, this is what you guys will be entered into winning. So you're going to be entered into getting this kit for beginners. So it comes with your 8-ounce bottle of monomer. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't want to tilt it over because I don't want things to fall. But we have an 8-ounce bottle of monomer. We have 2 little containers of clear and pink polymer, 5 GetNailed32 nail files, some buffers, a whole bunch of nail art items, nail tips, top coat, cuticle oil, nail glue, brushes, wax pencil, literally everything that you need to do acrylic nails, plus some other goodies. So again, all you have to do for this giveaway is just subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, and comment down below and let me know what you guys love about fall. So super simple. As far as the other giveaways, well, actually the giveaway for Instagram is going to be the same. So you could also enter, you can enter all of them. I know there's people on YouTube that don't have Instagram, which is why I decided to do one strictly for YouTube. So if you have all Instagram, and YouTube, then you'll be able to enter into all of them. Also, if you purchase something on my website, like I said, between today and Monday, you'll be able to enter the other 2. Since the one for Instagram is the same kit as that one, I'm going to go ahead and show you the one that would be for anyone that places an order between today and Monday. So you will get this. So it comes with the big kit of the stones, which looks like this. It comes with a whole bunch of bling. And then we also have the smaller ones. So we have some teddy bears, some white pearls, we have some more bling, we have some gold studs, we have the little rainbow 3D stones, we have a whole bunch of different nail decals or stickers, and then we have some more bling. So again, this one is for anyone that places an order on my website between today and Monday. The website is GetNailed32.com. And then lastly, we have the one where you'll be able to enter if you place an order for a beginner nail kit on my website, and you would just get a practice hand. So like I said, I'm super excited. I'll be sure to leave all of the rules down below. Nothing too much, literally just subscribe, hit the bell, comment down below, let me know what your favorite thing about fall is. And then also, what was the other one? I think, I don't know, but y'all, I've already said it a million times. So again, even if you, I know y'all are gonna join, but just make sure you go check out my website, share my videos, show your love and support. And yeah, so I will see you guys on Monday, probably Monday night, when I announce the winner. Good luck to everyone. And like I said, you are able to enter all 4 giveaways if you meet the requirements, which really the requirements other than the YouTube and Instagram one is just place order on my website. So go check it out and tell your friends about it. And like I said, thank you all so much, and I will see you guys next time.